Hey guys, Jason here, the Huntington Beach Tech. I'm just going to go ahead and show you how to use DOS. This is a beginner or entry level thing, just a couple commands to get you started. First you're going to want to go to the command prompt. I'm already in the folder user and my computer name, and so to go back you're going to type cd backslash, and that's going to take you to the C drive. Once you're in the C drive, you're going to go ahead and see what's in the directory there. And so I have a couple folders that I made earlier, begin, test 2, and there's a bunch of other stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to make a folder. We're going to call it, I don't know, testing seems too unoriginal. We're going to call this folder Skyrim. So you're going to make the Skyrim folder, and as you can see, Skyrim folder is here. To get into the Skyrim folder, you're going to type cd Skyrim. It's going to take you into it, and you type directory to see what is inside the folder. Right now, of course, there's nothing because we just created this directory. Once you're in the directory, let's make a folder called axe and a folder called sword. And so when you type your directory, it's going to show you that you have an axe and a sword inside. Those are different folders that you just created by typing md. So once you have whatever folders you have, you can rename them if you like. You could type ren axe, and you want to change the axe to, I don't know, a bow. And so when you type ren folder name and then the folder name you want it to be, it will change it. So now you have a bow and a sword inside your Skyrim directory. Some other things, so of course you can get into those folders by typing cd, and you can get into the bow directory, which will have nothing. Now, you can go back in a folder by typing cd period period, and that will take you one back instead of, for instance, the cd backslash, which takes you all the way back. So, of course, you want to get back into your Skyrim folder. So we have a bow and a sword. So let's say that we make one more directory called arrow. And so we have the directory arrow, and we're like, okay, well, arrows are part of a sword. Or I'm sorry, that's way off. Arrows are part of a bow. So what you want to do is you want to move arrow into bow. So you're going to type move arrow and then bow. So you're going to move the folder arrow directory into the bow. So you're going to see that's gone. Once you get into the bow directory, you'll see that using dir again, that you have the arrow in the directory. So let's say for some reason you want to delete a folder. So we have sword and bow. Of course, bow has a lot of information. We put arrows in there. So let's say we're going to go ahead and delete sword. So if you type del sword, it's going to ask if you're sure. Yes, I am sure. And then when you go to your directory, it should be gone. But that didn't work. I guess that's an old command. So let's go ahead and try the newer commands. We do rd sword, and it should delete the directory sword. So delete used to work, sorry about that guys, but rd is actually the command you want to use to delete. So we have bow in our directory. Let's say we want to go into the bow folder. We see that we have arrows, and we say, well, you know, let's go ahead and delete the arrows folder as well. So you're going to do rd arrow, check the directory, and you have nothing there. So this was just a quick tutorial on using DOS. I haven't used it in quite a while, but I am still remember a lot of it. So we went over cd backslash, which goes all the way to the C drive, cd dot dot, sorry, space dot dot, which brings you back one folder. You have md, which is make directory command, and name it whatever directory you want. dir, which shows you what is in the directory. And then you have rd to remove directory. Delete works on files, not directories, and that's why I was kind of mistaken earlier, as I was trying to delete a file, but it doesn't work deleting a directory. You have to use rd to remove directory. To get into folders, you type cd folder name, and to move folders, you type move folder name you want to move, and then, sorry, not folder name you want to move, and then target that you want to put that folder in. And so that just kind of explains how to move through the folders, how to delete, how to create folders, how to move along in them, and then of course deleting them if you need, or moving them. So this is just my first quick tutorial on this, And I hope you find this helpful. And let me know if you have any other questions or you need help with any DOS commands. And I will catch you guys later.